I'm in my prime, optimist, Sagittarius.
What up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy B, and I'm coming to you with another wig review. Now, this look is more of a Kim Kardashian, maybe a little Nicki Minaj. That's the look that you've got going on right here. This is a 40-inch wig. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to have it all in the damn camera for you. Like, I'll try. Like inches, okay? Are you looking for inches? Because if you are, this is the unit for you. Now you gotta stay walking around with a brush because it's that long. This is a like, okay, you got that event, you wanna come stunting, okay? You do it one time and that's it. Like, this is not gonna be your everyday wear. This is not you gonna wear it for a week. This is you gonna wear it for a few hours and bring your brush. Okay. So the name of the unit is Miami Girl. Can y'all see that? So the name of it is Miami Girl. And you know, it's a 40-inch. I got it in the color 1. That's right. It has very little parting, okay? So if you notice, where I stopped is where it stops. But because I got it in a 1, you can't see that, like, oh, okay, this is where, you know, the tracks begin or anything like that. So that's a plus. I do like how it naturally blended. So I don't have none of my edges out or nothing, okay? This is another snatch on and go, okay? Fully covered. I ain't did no baby. You know, if I'd have put some baby hairs on this, girl, y'all know I don't glue my stuff down. So y'all already know. So I have on my wig grip and you know it keeps it on. But yeah, I mean, you throw on your white dress, because that's what I got on. I got on my white dress, which I'll show you some pictures of. Got the dress from Fashion Nova. Hoot, holla to Fashion Nova. They got me popping. Also, my shoes. I got my shoes from Pay Freaking Less. If you like the heels in the picture, I got them from Pay Less, okay? Because you pay less. But they hurt my feet. So, I mean, but you know, that's most heels anyway. I'm just saying. So, yeah. So, I mean, this is the unit. It definitely tangles. So, you definitely want to make sure that you're walking around with your brush. You know, and I mean, this is pretty much it. I really wanted this unit because I just wanted to see like what it would look like how I'd be able to rock it, and true to form, threw on my white dress, and I was like, oh, I feel like I'm a little bit of a Kardashian, or a little bit of a Nicki, you know, when I do like that, you know.
Was it worth it, dummy? I ain't mind the bit. Still on that show, getting no chips. Time to dip. I'm still fly, just back the white guy.
Let me know what you think about the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can continue to get these great videos. And follow me on Instagram at It's Me Busy Bee. You guys already know, if you see a picture on my Instagram, you want to know about the unit. So let me tell y'all something. I have 117 units right now. I'm about to do some wig sales because I have too many wigs. Too many. So you might see a unit on there that you might want me to do a review for. You need to holler at me, let me know, and then I can do the review for you guys. So follow me at It's Me Busy Bee on Instagram. Other than that, thank you for watching.